Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today I got some things off of the marketplace and it's camping gear. I'm going to use it towards my preps. So I have a 2-burner propane stove with a propane attachment and a little bit of propane in there, and I'm going to slide this to the side and I'll be right back to show you what's in the box. Alrighty, the box says it holds a skillet, pan, silverware, water boiling bucket, plastic plates, cups, fire starter, and measuring cup. So that's what is in there. We got some foam plates. I'm not too keen on foam, but it was in here. So we have the lid and the pan here. We got some more pans actually. Skillets, measuring cup, and this must be the bucket for water. Some more pans. It looks like they boiled water in that one too. Not sure what this is. Let me look quick. I don't know what that was. Oh, they use that for soap. So I'll be putting probably some of my paper soap that I'm going to be making in here. Some cups, actual silverware. Ooh, there's a knife standing up, laid up, so I'm going to put that alongside here so I know where that is. Sorry about the loud noises. And there's some plastic bowls over here. Yeah, so there's like a whole bunch of things. Oh, I forgot the coffee pot. Be right back. Okay, well, I guess the coffee pot was right down on the floor, which I smacked my ankle on. But this is the little blue ceramic coffee. Well, it's not all ceramic, but it's like ceramic coated. Or enamel or something. I don't remember what it's called. But anyways, that's a coffee pot. You really can't see inside it, but it's really good. Taken care of. So those are the items that I got. I'm still waiting on, they were going to also bring, a sleeping pad and a little camping toilet or something. And maybe a couple other things. But I'm not sure at this point. Maybe it'll be coming next week or something. But those are the items that I got. Some of them will go into my preps and some of them will just, like the foam plates and stuff, I'll be taking those out because I don't like foam. And they're not so good to keep in preps anyways because you can't really get rid of them later. So I'll be replacing them with like paper plates or something that I can burn later or, or whatever. Alright, just thought I'd show you my collection of stuff that I got today. It was all, it wasn't, I'm sorry, it wasn't from Marketplace, it was from Freecycle. Sorry about that, my brain wasn't with me when I started the video. So anyways, this is, what I got today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell notification for more. And we'll see you later. Talk to you later. Bye for now.